What's up, my beauty babes? Back with another video. So today I basically will be doing a review on a wig I ordered from Annabelle. It's not my first time ordering from them or anything. I think it's my second. Yeah, it's my second time ordering from them. I do like their hair for the most part. But listen, we'll get into that for the review, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a review on the hair itself and like the wig and the construction of it, yada yada yada. And I'm gonna also be showing y'all how I cut the wig because I'm making it into a bob. So yeah, that's pretty much all that this video is gonna be about. I'm taking these braids out today. I had them in for like probably like a month, give or take, either a month or like a little less than a month. I don't keep them. I mean, I know some people keep their braids in for like a long time or whatever, but I don't really like to keep mine in that long because I don't like when like you can't really see the parts no more. As you can see, like I got some new growth growing in, and it's like it's not bad. It's not bad, but I'm tired of them a little bit, and they're not. I'm just tired of them. I get tired of hairstyles, tired of them, so I'm taking them out, doing the bob wig. So yeah, if you want to see the review, the unboxing, how I cut it, how I get this bob popping and cute, keep watching. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I had to go to the store and get a few things for the hair that I'm explaining a little later on after I give the review and do the unboxing of the hair and everything like that. Excuse my appearance, like my face is just having a field day breaking out, and yeah. Anyway, so yeah, so okay, so the Annabelle wig, I ordered it. This is what it looks like. It came maybe like 2 days ago or something like that. I don't know. I already opened it pretty much, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And then they had like a little information on the side of the box, yada yada. So it comes with. Oh, this was just inside of the wig or whatever. Like I told you, I already opened it, but dang, I thought I put everything back in the box. But okay, so this is the thing. They usually have like a little card on the inside that just has like their information and stuff like that. I don't know what I did with that because I already opened it, and I actually didn't even think about. I didn't think about recording this ahead of time. Like I just thought of this today, so that's why I didn't like officially unbox it on camera because I just thought of it today. But anyway, yeah. So y'all just gonna work with me. It's okay. It's okay. So when it came or whatever, it came in this little plastic bag, and then it also had a net around it. And then this is the wig. I did leave this intact because I was like, I don't need to take all this out. But this is how the wig came. I ordered a. I got probably like that would be nice if you tell me what you ordered. Alright, I want to get the exact order because there were different densities that you could order for the wig, and I want to know exactly. Okay, so yeah. Okay, I got it. So this is the Annabelle short bob lace front wigs, Peruvian straight lace. I guess is a lot to say. Front human hair wigs, Annabelle human hair bob wig, straight lace front wig. That's all. That's what the title is. I got it in the color natural color, as you can see. 150% density, and I got 10" because I want to make it into a short bob. I was definitely a little scared to get it this short. I mean, I knew I wanted a short bob, but I was scared to get 10", even though I knew I was going to probably still cut some from 10" anyway. But like when you order a wig that's already put together, it's like you don't know how thin the wig is going to be, and I do not like thin wigs. Like I know for a bob, it would probably be okay if it was on the thinner side because the hair isn't long, but still, like I just don't like thin wigs, weaves, none of that. Like I do not like that. So I was definitely a little scared to one order it in a 10" and one to order it in 150 density because y'all, I'm gonna just tell y'all a really short thing. I might do a separate review on this other hair I ordered from Annabelle before. It was a 613 wig. Basically, like when I ordered it, it was a little like thinner than what I personally would have liked. But I'll get into that later on. But basically, that that experience made me hesitant to order 150 density and 10" in this wig. But I'm glad I did because it actually is like way thicker. Like it's way thicker than Like, this is it. Like, this is how I would want my bundles to come all the time, no matter the length or color. But like, yeah. So I'm happy that I ordered it. The 150 density and the 10" or whatever. I have not done anything to it, as you can see. It just came out the package. The knots are not bleached. I don't know if you can see right there. So the knots are not bleached, which brings me to why I went to the store to get some bleach and developer. I have some developer already, but I was like low on it, so I just got some more. Plus, it's cheap anyway, and it's something good to have because I definitely be doing like a lot of hair projects. I said the knots are not bleached, so I have to bleach them. The hairline is plucked, so I don't think it's bad though. I would have to like I can really tell. I feel like when I bleach the knots, because then I'll like get the realistic, you know. But this is actually pretty good to me. Like the hairline is pretty, it's plucked pretty nicely to me. I don't want to go that close because then it's like you can't really. But yeah, y'all see that? Like the hairline is plucked pretty nicely to me. And fun fact, well, I don't want to give away all the tea. I'm gonna just do a review on the 613 wig so that way I can give y'all all the tea. But yeah, it's plucked pretty nice. I'm gonna just still customize it some more for my head or whatever. I probably won't record me customizing it because I'm still like really learning that. Like, and I still be messing up, and I don't want to be getting on here telling y'all how to do something when I'm barely know how to do it and I'm still learning how to do it my damn self. So, you know, once I get that together a little better, I'll get on here and customize it for y'all, okay? So, yes, I know y'all are tired of me rapping. I'm sorry, but it was just a lot of information. I wanted to give y'all all the tea. Without further ado, we can get into cutting this barboo, okay? It's cute too. Like, I really like this hair. What's up, my beauty babes? What's up, y'all? I'm back. I look a mess because today is the day that I had a whole bunch of stuff to do. I'm about to go to New Orleans. I don't know if I already said that, mentioned that before in another video, whatever the case may be. But yeah, I'm about to go to New Orleans. So my bed is a mess because I'm packing. Well, I packed for the most part, but I wanted to start on my hair while I still had some energy, whatever. So this is the bob wig. I'm about to cut her and everything. So this is like a regular wig too. I just snatch on and off when I so choose. But yeah, so I put her on and I saw like basically I kind of saw where I would want it to be cut at, so I made that little cut right there. Yeah. Basically right there, you see that cut right here. I'm about to cut it all the way around at that length, and yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all how I do that. Okay, these are some shears that I'm going to use to cut the hair. They're really sharp. What is it called? Japanese shears. I got them from Amazon. I use them. They're actually like shears, you know, like professional scissors. I use them to cut my real hair when I cut my rest of my curl around in my hair. So I'm using those today. I wanted to use the what is it called? Clippers that like men use to cut their hair because I think it's like more precise. But I didn't have those. I was trying to order those. Plus, I don't think it's gonna really matter that much how like straight this is because I'm gonna like bump the ends anyway. So I'll be able to put some on the floor. I washed. What did I do? I bleached the knots and I washed that out and I straightened her and that's all I've done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and I'm not gonna. I already said I'm not recording myself customizing it and like installing it on my head and everything. So after this, you'll just see what it looks like afterwards. Okay. Alright, y'all. So I just want to put out there that I am not a licensed cosmetologist or anything like that. I'm just a regular girl cutting my hair. So, well, my bob wig, whatever. So basically, what's going on right here is I'm just using a comb and I'm basically just following along that initial cut that I made. It's not gonna be like straight my first time. And now like that I'm watching myself redo it, I see why I had to like go over it again. But yeah, I'm not going to sit here and wrap y'all up. Plus, I had to mute it. I had to mute it because I was listening to music. So yeah, y'all can just sit back and watch this, and yeah. Alright, so as you can see, it's all even, and I finished cutting, so I'm just going to take my flat iron and bump the ends to style it, and that's pretty much it for this video. You can watch to see how it looks in the very end, and then I'll be sure to post some pictures at the very end of once I install it on my head and everything like that, so you guys can see the absolute finished look. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in my New Orleans vlog. Bye!